Hello everyone, I'm Em. Welcome back to Tech Block. Today we have another unboxing video. We seem to do a lot of these nowadays. This time it's something pretty darn crazy. Let me show you. Although you probably already know what it is by the title of the video and the thumbnail and all. This is one hell of a PC from MSI. It's crazy, man. We have all the specs over on the side here. Intel Core i9 9900K, lovely stuff. RTX 2080 Ti, never had one of those before. We have a 32 gigs of RAM, 1 terabyte hard drive, half a terabyte SSD. To put it simply, this thing is an absolute monster. This is like very, very high end, like holy crap, my guy. This is MSI's Trident gaming desktop PC, and my lord, is this thing just gonna be absolutely beautiful. RTX 2080 Ti, Intel Core i9 9900K. I thought editing on the Razer Blade was an absolute breeze. It was just so nice because it's got an RTX 2070 in there, Max-Q design. The Razer Blade is just sitting over here, by the way. Editing on that thing is wonderful. It's got, the 9th gen Intel Core i7 9750H CPU. It's great. This though, this is gonna be mental. This is crazy. Oh my lord, all right. Okay. Boom. By the way, massive shout out to MSI, of course, for making this all possible, for sending this desktop PC over to me to check out, to review. It isn't a permanent unit. I will be sending it back at some point, but it'll be a very good time, I'm sure. With these kind of specs, I'm gonna have a lot of fun. It's gonna be sick, man. So once again, massive shout out to MSI. The link to this PC, very top of the description there. Check him out. Boom, all right, that should be everything. True gaming. Game unlimited, yeah, I bet. With these specs, yeah, you can run literally everything. Oh Lord, alrighty. What do we got here? MSI. Oh, jeez. Okay, installing tempered glass. This thing has tempered glass? No way, man. Okay, there's a little vent here as well for cooling. Very important with these kind of specs inside. And the fact that this is quite a compact PC as well. We got another little box over here as well. What could be inside of here? Any seals we have to break? Not this time. Alrighty. So we have a SATA cable, very nice. We have a power cable as well. Awesome. Then we have some documentation here about the build. Got a few screws, a warranty card, and then a quick start guide. Okay. Is you upside down? Oh, Jesus Christ. Okay, we got an MSI RTX 2080 Ti in there. Bloody hell, man. Oh, I see what they've done here. This is genius. So they give you a tempered glass side panel right here that you can install if you want to. It's completely optional. So that's kind of nice, a pretty cool addition here. We got an MSI logo there, Trident. We have a cheeky fan peeking through there as well. And this entire side panel here can be replaced with the tempered glass one. And I'm pretty sure that's what we're gonna do, because tempered glass is gonna look sick inside there. We can see all the internals and all. And then over here, we've got the MSI freaking RTX 2080 Ti in here. This is tiny. This machine, given the fact that all of these specs are inside of this thing, it's very, very small. This is a very small little PC. So hopefully cooling won't be a problem. But I'm sure the graphics card is fine. There's plenty of ventilation here for it. There's a fan over here as well for, I'm guessing, maybe the CPU. So hopefully in terms of cooling and all, everything should be all good, I hope. Right, before we do anything else, I'm gonna install the tempered glass side panel over on this side and see how all that looks like. There we go. This is sick, man. Pop that in there. Pop one in there. And I believe this will just pop on. Yo, this is sick. Boom. God damn. All right. And now the peel. Oh my God. That's beautiful. And this can very nicely slide open as well. We also have some more. Oh my God. Oh yes. Oh yes. Boom. That is nice. I like that. All right, it's all set up. The tempered glass is on. It's all looking very nice, man. It's all looking sick. Let's bring this over to the main office area, turn her on, see if it even works. Oh. It's beautiful. Oh my God. Oh my God. All right, I think let's set it up instead of the main rig here. Alrighty, shut down, goodbye, and it's gone. All right, cool. Boom, boom. All right, that's everything. Goodbye, and hello, MSI. This is beautiful. It's so freaking tiny. Look how small this thing is. Like, look at this monster here. And then look at this. This is a tiny little PC, and it's way faster than that. Holy crap, dude. Display port for the video card. Alrighty, dude. Will it turn on? Oh, it's beautiful. Okay, this is nice. Oh, my lord, it has RGB. Okay, this thing should be on display, my guy. Oh lord, this is nice. I am a fan. We have a very nice rainbow RGB fan here, and you can maybe just see me in the reflection there as well. But look at this, dude, all the RGB peeking through. By the way, if you want some extra cooling, feel free to pop open this entire side panel, as it's now like on a swivel. Very nice, very nice. Ooh, I'm tripping on cables here. Oh look, set up Windows, dude. We're ready to go, sick. We have the lovely MSI 2080 Ti there. A bit of RGB on the front here, like bit of there, bit there. And then on top, thanks to the MSI card, that's all lighting up. Man, this is beautiful. Ooh, it's not that loud either. This thing is pretty quiet. Ooh, by the way, we got some more peeling to do. On the front here, oh dude. All right, we got this whole peel to do up here. Oh yes, oh yes. Okay, I think that's everything. Like, this thing is tiny. This is this is such a tiny little machine, but it's pretty fast. It's pretty fast. Looking at the specs, the only thing I'm slightly, worried about is heat. But then again, the graphics card, plenty of ventilation there. Sure, it's going to be fine, and the CPU hopefully will also be, all good. No way. Oh lord, the front I/O on this thing. They give you Type-C. They give you Type-C on the very front of the PC, which means I can plug in my Type-C SD card reader into the front of the PC instead of the back. Beautiful. And I can plug in my normal SD card reader, my micro SD card reader, into the front as well. Sick. Recently I've been really quite impressed by Intel's CPU performance on Adobe Premiere because I've been reviewing a bunch of laptops. The Acer Predator Trident 500 had a 6-core 12-thread Intel CPU, the 8750H CPU, which was awesome. So fast for Adobe Premiere, exports videos real quick thanks to hardware encoding. Then I switched over to the Razer Blade RTX 2070 Max-Q, Intel Core i7 9750H CPU, and that one also, as you can imagine, exports videos really fast. Just editing videos on the Razer Blade is just a great experience. It's fast as hell. And now we've upgraded once again to the i9 9900K and an RTX 2080 Ti, 32 gigs of RAM. Holy crap, dude. This is mental. I can't believe this. And these kind of specs for, this kind of monitor here, they kind of match up quite well. Dude, I'm gonna lose my mind here. I'm just thinking about, I can launch Battlefield on absolutely maxed out settings and get decent FPS. We can even play some OpenTTD, that's a pretty sick game. Shout out to all the people that know OpenTTD. I was playing that yesterday. It was pretty fun. Might play a bit of OpenTTD again today. It's kind of funny though, because gets a super high-end PC, launches OpenTTD, which is you don't need any sort of high-end hardware to run that game. Gets RTX 2080 Ti, Intel Core i9 CPU, plays OpenTTD. What are you doing, man? I'm signing into Microsoft again because I'm sure they've changed something, because there's no button to skip signing into Microsoft now. I don't know if that's just because this is a pre-build and that's just what you gotta do. But usually when I install Windows, I don't have to sign into Microsoft. I really don't want to. But now they kind of force you to. Like, I don't see a skip button anywhere else. The amount of times you have to say no when installing Windows, it's just sick, man. Like, do you want this? Do you want this? Are you sure you don't want that? Do you want some ads? Like, no. Ooh, I hope my internet reset, because, wait, I'm gonna be in gym today. I can steal their Wi-Fi again. Wait, wait a minute, how am I gonna bring this to the gym? This is not a laptop. Okay, I think I'll just transfer Battlefield from like my laptop to this, and that's an option. I can't bring this to the gym. Like, this is a pretty small rig. Like, I could technically bring it to the gym with me and steal their Wi-Fi anyway, but I would need a monitor, a keyboard and a mouse. That's where, you know, we kind of run into a problem. Else, I would take it to the gym. Just steal their Wi-Fi again. This is so sick. I'm so freaking happy. Almost there. Apart from that, everyone, I'm going to continue setting this up off camera. As you know, it's going to be pretty boring probably, me just installing a bunch of programs and games. So whilst I get all that set up, you guys can go check out this PC in the video description down below. Massive shout out to MSI once again for sending this monster over to me to check out, to review. It's going to be a good time. Apart from that though, thanks for watching. Hope to see you in another video soon. Goodbye.